Hello, we're at Effortlessly Equipment today. Look at this 6.4 by 12 mesh trailer with 4-foot sides. Now what you'll see is it's got the expanded metal. It's 4 foot going around front, driver, passenger, and we'll have the rear gate. We'll have our front loading jack, ball connection, breakaway pin, safety chains, all in the front. These trailers are built with tie-down rings on the corners. We'll see our DOT lighting, safety tape. The corners also have tie-down rings up top. We'll have our diamond plate fenders. These trailers have two 3,500-pound axles. Center caps on those are removable. That way you can grease and lubricate the axles. There's a license plate bracket on the driver's side. With that bracket, it's got its own light. You can see your tie-down ring in the back. There's spring-assisted latches on the rear for the gate. Five supports on the gate. The gate also has a notch and a channel on both sides to where it can adjust and move as it needs to, along with our heavy-duty spring. You'll see the wood paneling for the flooring on the trailer. Our rear LED lights. And the wheel size on these are 15-inch. Following up, passenger side here, spare tire mount bracket. You just put your lug nut and your bolt through your wheel, tighten it up, and hold it in place on the trailer. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a nice day.